my dear students, here I am again with the chapter 11a from CBSE RS Survival. Today's first term, question number 11. On selling a watch for 11,400, a shopkeeper loses 5%. That means SP is equal to 11,400 and loss percent is equal to 5%. Now we have to find out for how much did he purchase it. So you have to find out cost price. Cost price is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent multiply selling price. Put the value 100 by 100 minus 5 multiply 11,400 and equate 100 by 95 into 11,400. 19 5s are 25s are and 19 6s are 114. So 1,2,0,0,0. This selling price. Now in question number 12, on selling a calculator for rupees 1,325. So selling price of calculator is 1,325 and he makes some profit or gain of 6%. Gain percent is equal to 6%. For how much should he sell it to gain 12%? The question asks us that he want to gain 12% from 6%. So he must sell it for more selling price. For how much he must sell it? So when selling price and gain percent given, that means we can find cost price. Cost price of product 100 by he may gain, so 100 plus 6 into 1,325 according to the last sum. So 100 by 106 into 1,325, cancelling it we get 50 by 53. So cost price is 1,250. Now he want to make a profit of 12%. So what he have to do? For how much he must sell it? So selling price. So this is cost price. Gain percent 12%. So selling price is equal to, when selling price have to find and cost price and gain percent is given, then selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent here 12% by 100 multiplied by cost price 1,250. Find out 112 by 100, 10 multiply 125, cancel it by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 25s are 256 are, so 56 multiplied by 25. So we must sell it for 1,400 rupees. Then he may a gain of 12%. 13. On selling a computer for 24,480, a dealer loses 4%. So here a selling price of computer is 24,480 and dealer loses 4%. So loss percent is equal to 4%. For how much should he sell it to gain 4%? Again, here we have to find first the cost price. So cost price when selling price and loss percent given is equal to 100 by 100 minus 4 multiply SP, that is 24,480. 100 by 96 multiply 24,480. 24, 25, 5 4s are now 24 ones are 24 and 24 2s are 28, then 0. 25 zeros are 25 2s are 55. That is the cost price of the computer. Now the seller want to gain 4% and we have cost price now, then gain percent is equal to 4%. Now selling price is equal to 100 plus 4 by 100 multiply 25500. Cancel 2 zeros and we get 104 into 255. So the selling price is 520 and we get the answer. Question number 14. It says a tricycle is sold at a gain of 15%. Had it been sold for 108 more, the profit would have been 20%. Find its cost price. So here it says a tricycle is sold at a gain percent. So we have gain percent, that is 15%. Had it been sold for 108 more, that means whatever his sold price of the tricycle, if he added 108 rupees more, then the profit would have been 20%. So we don't have any selling price, any cost price. Now let cost price be X. You have gain percent 15% and we take cost price as X, as it is not given. So selling price is equal to 100 plus 15 by 100 into cost price, that is X. So 115 by 100 X. Cancel it. 23 by 20, it is 23x by 20. We have selling price in X. Now he want to make profit of 20%. Now profit percent again, profit percent, if profit percent is equal to 20%, then cost price will never change. Then selling price will be 100 plus 20 by 100 into X, that is 120 by 100 into X. Cancel it. So we have 6x by 5. And it is said that it been sold for rupees 108 more. So this is greater than this selling price. How much? And it is 108. So now we have to make an equation. According to the question, sorry 6x by 5 minus 23x by 20 is equal to 108. We have to LCM 5 and 20 and we get 20 as LCM. So 5 4s are 20, so 6x multiply 4 minus 21s are 20, so 23x multiply 1 is equal to 108, and 24x minus 23x by 20 is equal to 108, and you will get x by 20 is equal to 108. Now 20 is divisor, so x is equal to 108 multiply 20, that is 2160. So what we have left? What is x? X was the cost price, so CP is equal to 2160, that is 2160. Question number 15. Sandeep sold a television at a loss of 8%. If he had sold it for rupees 3,360 more, he would have gained 6%. For how much did Sandeep buy it? Same type of question like as 14. Here first loss percent was given. Loss percent is given, so loss percent is equal to 8%. So let, just like last sum, let CP be x. Now we have loss percent with us and cost price, so we can easily find selling price is equal to 100 minus 8 by 100 into x, that is 92 by 100 into x, and by cancelling it we have 23 by 25, that is 23x by 25. This is selling price. Now he want to gain 6%. He want to gain 6%. So gain percent 6%, but we have cost price which is x, so selling price will be 100 plus 6 by 100 into x, that is 106 by 100 into x, and by cancelling it we get 53x by 50. Now this is selling price, this is also selling price, but here in question it tells that he sold it for rupees 3,360 rupees more. That means this price is rupees 3,360 rupees more. That means this is greater number. So we have to make another equation in this sum. So according to the question or on condition, we'll get 53x by 50 minus 23x by 25 is equal to 3,360. We'll get 50 as LCM, and you will get 53x minus 46x by 50 is equal to 3360. So 7x by 50 is equal to 3360, and to find x we have to reciprocal 7 by 50 and multiply it with 3360. So we get rupees 24,000, which is cost price. This is cost price, and we have to find this cost price. So for how much did Sandeep buy it? He buy it for rupees 24,000. Question number 16. Pankaj sells 2 cycle for rupees 2,376 each. On one he gains 10% and on the other he loses 10%. Find his gain or loss percent. So we make two part for first cycle. Selling price is rupees 2,376 and he make a profit for 10%. So cost price is this one. Cancel. So 2160 was the cost price for first cycle. Now for second cycle, we'll get selling price same, rupees 2,376, but in this case he make a loss for 10%. Now cost price is this one, and you will get this was the cost price. This was the cost price for first cycle and this was for second cycle. So total cost price $2,160 plus 2,640. $4,800. Total cost price is 4,800 and total selling price rupees 2,376 into 2. This one, we can easily observe that cost price is greater than selling price. So a loss of ₹48. Now loss percent is equal to loss, which is 48, by cost price, which is 4800, multiply 100%. Cancel 0 zeros, and 48, that is 1%, which is loss percent. On selling an exhaust fan for rupees 7,350, a man gained 1/6 of its cost price. Find the cost price of the fan. So, on selling an exhaust fan for rupees 7,350 means selling price of the fan is rupees 7,350. He gains 1/6 of its cost price. We don't know what is its cost price, so let cost price be X, and he make profit or gain, which is 1/6 of cost price, that is 1/6 of X, which is equal to X by 6. This one is gain and this one is cost price. So on condition, we can easily say that cost price plus gain is equal to selling price, that is X plus X by 6 is equal to 7350. 6 LCM, so 6x plus x equal to 7350, and 7x by 6 equal to 7350, that is x equal to 7350 multiply 6 by 7. $63,000. We find the value of x is 6,300. We get the value of x is rupees 6,300, which is cost price, and we have to find the 8, and we find it.